Hi, I'm a master student majoring in computer science, and this is my code for ACKERMANN function. I'm going to be showing you how to run it on MIPS. Well, this is not actually my code. I did get it off the internet, but I've made sure it works. I've tweaked a few variables here and there, and it's a little bit difficult to understand, mostly because it uses advanced functions like save word and actually add immediate if you're not used to that, save word, load word. But pretty much it's an iterative function, and it's a program that uses iterative functions. It's a little bit difficult to understand, but it's easy to execute if you take a paper and make note of how it has been going. So in my main function, I'm making a stack. I'm also asking the user for values to enter m and n to run our ACKERMANN function, and I'm also reading the inputs before I send them to their respective functions. So I have defined two functions. One is ACKERMANN, and so that's right here. M is 0, n is 0, both are greater, and the end function. You can of course compress this into a smaller code, but I usually like having multiple functions. That usually gives us a bit more way on how gives us a bit more problem solving technique. So this is a few, I think max to max I've just changed a few variables here and there, tried to minimize the space and check if both the variables are 0, then what to do, because when it's 0, then that's what should trigger it. But this code does work, and I will be showing you both on how to do it on Ubuntu, which is my preferred way of running this code, and I'm going to be showing you how to run it on QTSPIM as well. So Ubuntu is usually my favorite way of running it, mostly because it gives a good command line feel, and it's easier, I guess. But I mean, it's not easier; it's pretty much the same. So what you're gonna do is you're going to first of all cd into where your code is stored. Then you're going to say spim. You're going to load your code with the name of the file and extension in inverted commas, and then you're just gonna say run. It's going to ask you for value of m. So please use a value below 5 if your laptop does not have enough processing power. Otherwise, it's going to take some time and really heat up your laptop. And that is how you run ACKERMANN function on Ubuntu. So this is QTspin window. I've already opened it. I've already reinitialized my program, and all I have to do is run it. So it asks for my value of m, which we said was 2, and then we said the value for n is 3, and the result is 9.